functioning only on your center. When the expressions happen, not looking at that expressions from the center of the nature or outside you. Freedom from working just on your center is liberation. Discrimination means when you function, see the expression from other than your perspective. See the outcome from other than your perspective. Understand? See the perspective, see the expression from other than your perspective. Discrimination is not just a path for wealth or excellence. It's a straight path for very enlightenment itself. See, when you constantly discriminate and retain yourself in awareness, even every day-to-day life becomes more juicy. It will not just be newsy. Understand, when your life is not juicy, you always wait for to make it as newsy. Why do people sit 24 hours on the channels which are spreading so much of lies and rumors, scandals? Because their own life is not juicy. They just want to make it juicy by newsy. Trying to know about others, trying constantly to gather news information about others is the perversion. A non-discriminative person will be constantly restless. He doesn't know what he is doing. Everybody wants freedom from afflictions and karmas. But nobody wants to do what needs to be done for that. Everybody thinks somehow by supernatural something will happen. Even supernatural is not supernatural. It is natural for Superman. It is supernatural for man, but it is natural for Superman. For somebody it is natural. So if you want to have supernatural in your life, you need to enter into the Superman state so that it becomes natural. Don't wait for life to happen to you. You make the life happen. If you are just waiting for the life to happen, it's never going to happen. Everybody wants freedom from afflictions and karmas, but nobody works for it. Everything, even what you think as supernatural, happens only by a proper natural formula. Till you discover what is happening behind the screen, behind the scene, you think it is supernatural.